What's up, everybody? Back again with the NBA Mixer Break number 26.
I'll make sure we're connected to the Wi-Fi.
Got Mr. Mises and Mr. Poopy Butthole up there for you all for some good luck.
For some support.
Yeah. What's up, Savion? I think that's his name. Something like that. Brian, how's it going?
I think that's Pete.
Pete. What's up, Dub? Michael? Right on, Jeremy. Alright, we'll just give it a few more moments here, get the rest of everybody in here. Alright, we do have the two Mosaic hangers, Mosaic Mega, Chronicles Blaster, and Illusions Blaster tonight. And then some bonuses, little bonuses as usual. Tonight's bonus is going to be a Chronicles hanger box for you all. So extra 30 cards there. Hopefully we can get some good stuff for you. I think our last Chronicles hanger we had a Kendrick Nunn Prism update.
Yeah, we did.
So good stuff in that.
Pulled a Genesis yesterday.
Yeah, Genesis AI yesterday.
AI Hall of Fame. It was sick.
All right, Mike. We'll try. Hopefully, we could get some serious LeBrons tonight.
Yeah,
We need some hollow LeBrons.
All right.
What's up, Quinn? All right.
Get started.
Let's get it started. Let's start it off with the bonus.
Let's get
Bonus hanger. All right. Good luck, everybody. Nice rookie on the front there. All right, let's get it started. What's up, Kaylee, Quentin? Eric Pascal, Prestige, Warriors.
If you're just joining, this is just the bonus.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not even to what's in the break. This is just your bonus box we added.
John Wall, Chronicles. There we go. There's a LeBron.
All right, early and often.
Nice threads for the Lakers. Clay.
Oh, it's gonna flip back.
Yeah, I wish they'd stop that. And again, Jackson Hayes for the Pels. D Rose. There we go.
Hey,
Zion.
early.
Number 1.
Nice early Zion.
Nice Zion Prestige there. Good hit for the Pels. DeMar DeRozan. We're not even going to flip that. Steph Curry threads. Nice hit for the Warriors. Eric Pascal again, playbook. Rookie for the Warriors. RJ Barrett, Luminance.
Very nice.
Nice for the Knicks. I love the Luminance cards. There we go. First Luka. Panini for the Mavs. Kevin Porter Jr. Playbook for the Cavs. Jarrett Culver, Luminance. T-Wolves. Another RJ. Panini for the Knicks. What's up, Ryan? Cam Johnson for the Suns. Wrong Pelican. Nikhil Alexander-Walker. Brandon Clark, Luminance.
Tricking us.
Yep. It's alright. Grizz and
Classics.
yeah, I like the classics. These are the hanger exclusives, the classics here. At least we got Grizz Pels running back to back. Wrong rookies, but it's alright. Nasir Little, Portland. Goga
Okay.
for the Pacers. I think we got a PJ. Nice PJ.
Nice.
Take a drink.
Take a drink.
Alright, green Prestige, Kendrick Nunn. For the Heat there. Nice hit. Let's see. Nice green Zion playbook.
Hey.
There we go.
Color Zion.
We'll take that for sure. What's up, Dallas? Ooh. Iggy, optic update for the Heat. Nice. Another Bron Flux.
Bron Flux?
Let's go.
Let's go. Nice hit.
Ask and you shall receive.
I'm saying. Let's leave that bad boy up.
Yeah, for sure. DeAndre Hunter XR for the Hawks. Romeo for the Celtics. Essentials Kendrick Nunn for the Heat.
He got robbed last
And
night.
green Jarrett Culver XR. Robbed, like for real?
No, the Heat got
Oh.
What are you talking about?
I thought something
You're
just
stupid.
you got to update. Hey man, players is crazy.
I'm saying last night there was no Heroes or Kendrick Nunn.
Yeah.
So they're due.
You never know, man. Michael Porter Jr. done robbed somebody or something, didn't he?
Here we go.
All right, let's move on to the break portion. We'll start off with the Illusions Blaster. Not a bad bonus. Couple Zions.
Green Zion.
Yeah.
Green
Couple
Kendrick Nunn,
Brons.
Flux Bron.
I like it.
Put some respect on it.
Let's throw a couple up here real quick. All right.
Very nice.
6 packs of 6. In the Illusions Blaster here. Alright, let's get it started. What's up, Matt? Alright, Drew Holiday for the Pelicans. Sorry, let me get this focused. There we go. Mike Conley, Jazz. Kelly Oubre for the Suns. And Rookie Reflections. Darius Garland and Mark Price. for the
Those
Cavs.
always go to the rookie team.
Yeah,
Just
but
so everybody knows.
it's the Cavs on this one.
Is
but
it?
yeah,
I wasn't paying attention.
but yeah, the different teamed ones goes to the rookie. Malik Beasley, T-Wolves, and Darius Baisley
That's a nice rookie.
for OKC. Let's go. Keep it moving. Christian Wood for Detroit. Andrew Wiggins, Warriors. Andre Drummond for the Cavs. Nikola Vucevic, Emerald for the Magic. Bradley Beal. And Tremont Waters, rookie for the Celtics.
If you want to grab a drink or something to eat, the Illusions box is the time to go do that.
There's some big hits, but for the most part,
Sometimes there are, but they're surprising when they happen.
yeah. Josh Richardson for the Sixers. DeAndre Ayton, Suns. Dante DiVincenzo for the Bucks. And, ooh, nice. Uji Anobi.
Okay.
Was this numbered out of 199?
Yeah,
93 of 199?
We pulled that Tyler Hero.
What are these?
Rubies.
The Rubies? Nice. Nice hit, Toronto. Zach LaVine for the Bulls. And Darius Garland. Nice rookie for the Cavs. All right, Paul George for the Clips. Bogdan for the Kings. Al Horford, Sixers. Okay, there we go. Big Bam season highlights for the Heat.
Dope.
Luka, base for the Mavs, and Ja Morant,
There
baby.
we go.
There we go. First one for the
That'll wake me
Grizz.
up a little bit.
We'll take it. Bang.
All right, John's on the board.
Ja and Zion on the board. We'll take it. All right. Blake Griffin, Detroit. PJ for Houston. Oops, I missed a card there. Sorry, guys. Thomas Bryant. It didn't matter. Emerald Melo for the Blazers. Vince Carter
BC.
for the Hawks. And Isaiah Roby, rookie for the Thunder.
Under a few rookies in this box.
Alright, last pack for the Illusions Blaster. Then we'll move on to the Chronicles Blaster and on to the Illusions. I think I saw something pretty cool in here. De'Aaron Fox for the Kings. Colin Sexton, Cavs. Dennis Schroeder, OKC. What we got here? Acetate. Ooh, clear shots. Jason Tatum. That's sick. Nice hit, Boston. Let's go. And Otto Porter Jr. And our rookie, Taco.
Taco.
We'll take it.
Hey.
Two nice Celtic cards there.
Tatum acetate. Sick.
Yeah, that thing's nasty. All right,
Alright, let's go. Time to wake up.
Let's get this Chronicles going, and then on to the real good stuff.
Yeah. Hey, I like Chronicles.
Yeah, me too. I like all the rookies.
I'm feeling a numbered something or other.
I'm feeling a silver something or another. All right, 8 packs of 5. Good luck, everybody. Grab me another one of those stands. Grab me one of those stands.
Sure.
DeAndre Hunter, Prestige for the Hawks. Kristaps, Dallas. D'Angelo Russell, T-Wolves. Marquis Jordan Poole for the Warriors. And pink Tremont Waters.
Celtics starting to take over a little bit.
Yeah, they are.
Rookie color, Taco, JT acetate.
Yeah, that thing is sick. There we go. Ooh, tricked me.
Oh, yeah.
It tricked me. Their Threads card look almost exactly the same. Brandon Clark for the Grizz. Pink Jason Tatum, Chronicles. Celtics. Rookies and Stars, Grant Williams
Gee
for the
whiz.
Celtics. Terrence Davis for the Raptors. And Jarrett Culver, Recon.
A lot of Culvers too.
Yeah,
That's our PC.
we'll take him. He's going to be a monster.
Yeah. Pure scoring wing. Get better every single year.
All right, started off with a Rui Prestige. Rui's going to have a big year, too, if Russ gives him the ball. Cola. Nice Chronicles there. Ooh, Crusade. Kawhi.
The Claw.
Nice hit, Clips.
Okay. There we go.
Eric Pascal. Playbook for the Warriors. And Bron Essentials.
Another Bron. Pulled a pink Giannis Crusade last night.
Yeah, that thing is nasty. All right. Rui again to start it off.
Okay.
That's it for Washington. Pink Eric Pascal. Panini for the Warriors. Rookies and Stars. James Harden. Rockets. There we go. Another Luminance. RJ.
Sick.
Let's go. There we go.
Okay.
Tyler Harrow XR.
Take a drink.
Let's go. Nice hit, Heat. Such a monster. Tyler Harrow's the truth.
We got some big heroes going to PSA.
Sure
tomorrow.
do. Sure do. All right, Paul George for the Clips. DeAndre Hunter Threads. Hawks. Russ for Houston. Carson Edwards, marquee for the Celtics. And pink Trae Young essentials. Okay. Nice hit, Hawks. Trae stuff has been on the rise. You can find any of his.
Should be.
Yeah.
It's too
It should have.
cheap.
Yeah, it should have always been like this. So if you can find his rookie stuff cheap,
His stuff is relatively too cheap.
you gotta pick it up. If you can find it cheap, for sure. It's up about 200% the last month. Kawhi prestige. There we go. Pink Jaw
Okay.
threads. Let's go.
Okay.
Another Rookies and
Pretty
Stars. Luka Panini. I think it's the second one of those.
Yep.
And Keldon Johnson essentials for the Spurs. I like it. Keep it going. This pack feels different. I think there's something good in here.
Better hope.
I don't know. Mello for the Blazers. Ooh, Jordan Poole. Rookie for the Warriors. Bam! Terrence Davis.
okay.
Prism update.
Rookie Prism update for the Raptors.
I knew it felt different.
Okay.
Nice hit, Raps.
Real nice hit
Yeah.
for the Raptors. For the Tampa Bay Raptors.
Kevin Porter Jr. playbook for the Cavs. And Luka Marquis.
Dope.
Nice. For the Mavs.
Real nice Prism update.
Yeah, that's is him and Kendrick Nunn the only rookies with updates?
I have no idea.
I think so. So right on. Alright, last pack of the Chronicles Blaster. Good luck, everybody. Rudy for the Jazz. Kobe White pink Panini.
About time.
There we go. Yeah. Don't sleep on him. He's about to explode this year. Carson Edwards, Rookies and Stars. Jarrett Culver, Luminance
Taking over the break.
for the T-Wolves. And Jackson Hayes, Recon.
Got us.
We finally got our Jackson Hayes redemption after about, 7 months, 6 months?
Yeah. It's dope. Pretty dope.
Yeah, it's sick. Alright, on to hanger number 1. Let's get this, let's liven this up.
What redemption did we pulled Justin Jefferson?
Yeah, Justin Jefferson out of a Absolute Mega.
Yeah. And auto.
Yep,
Back to
right.
back
Yeah, back to
cards.
back. It's sick. Alright, 20 cards.
You said it's not the boxes.
Yeah, I know. I hate those
Football.
boxes.
Alright.
Daniel House for the Rockets.
Good luck.
Malik Monk, Hornets. Josh Richardson, Sixers. John Collins, Hawks. Laurie Marketing for the Bulls. Hassan Whiteside, Portland. Donovan Mitchell for Jazz. Steph,
There we go.
nice base for the Warriors. Luke Kennard for the Pistons. Ooh, silver Hall of Fame, Karl
Man,
Malone.
I just saw purple.
I know, I thought it was silver brawn. That'd been sick.
Always hope for the best.
Yeah, that's alright. It's
Nice
still
silver
sick.
for the Jazz.
There we go.
Okay. Orange reactive Cam Johnson.
I like it. Nice hit, Suns. NBA debut. That's nasty.
Very nice.
Isaiah Roby, rookie,
Okay.
orange
All right.
reactive.
This might be
Let's
one of
get
those-
it.
Might be one of those boxes.
I hope.
A lot of
That's
rookies.
it for the Mavs.
Ah,
Ooh, Julius Erving, Hall of Fame.
all right, that's all right.
That's
Another
okay.
rookie right
That's
here.
okay. And Tremont Waters,
Yep.
rookie for the Celtics.
All right, spread
Orange
the love.
reactive. All right.
Spreading the love.
Kyrie got game for the Nets. Stephon Marbury. For the Suns. Scotty. Hall of Fame for the Bulls.
Poor Scotty.
Grant Williams. Another Celtic rookie. Ooh, Cam Johnson base debut.
Okay. Suns getting the best out of this one.
Yeah, they are. And Isaiah Roby again
All right.
for Dallas. 2 base and 2 orange reactive of the same.
All right.
Not bad, not bad. Moving on. Hanger number 2. Nice rookie for the Spurs on the back here.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay, there you go.
Daniel Tice for the Celtics. Derek Favors, Pels. Clint Capella for the Rockets. Nicholas Batum, Charlotte. Joe Harris for the Nets. Patrick Beverly, Clippers. DeJounte Murray for the Spurs. Jabari Parker, Hawks. Devontae Graham for the Hornets. Ooh, Silver Dillon Brooks. Trick. I thought it was Ja for real. Oh, man. Still nice for the Grizzlies.
They were doing this to us last night till we hit that Genesis.
Yeah.
And caught 2 Zions real quick.
Rodney Hood for Portland, orange reactive. Norman Powell, Raptors, orange reactive. Shit. Andre Drummond for the Pistons. And Dwight Powell.
Wow. Even a
For the
7 on the
Mavs.
jersey.
Tricky. Bradley Beal got game.
They're trolling.
Anthony Hardaway, old school for the Magic. Karl Malone.
Team USA goes to the team that you know them for, so
Right,
it's going to
so-
the Jazz.
Kevin Porter Jr. Okay. Decent rookie for the Cavs there. Hall of Fame Larry Bird for the Celtics. And Keldon Johnson. Rookie for the Spurs.
All right.
Alright, on to the...
This
Big
is
stuff.
why we're here anyway.
We still got 80 more cards. Let's get it going. This is pulled our Genesis out of the Mega last night. So, let's hope for the best.
Yep.
What's up, AJV Sports? How's it going, man? Alright, 10 packs of 8 in the Megas. Good luck, everybody. Pack number 1. Dwight Powell for the Mavs. Again. Joe Harris for the Nets. Ricky Rubio, Suns. Enos, Blue Reactive for the Celtics.
Free Enos.
Paul George, Jam Masters for the Clips.
Should have played for Kentucky.
RJ. Okay, starting to heat up.
Okay.
Nice debut for the Knicks. Terrence Davis,
All right.
rookie for the Raptors.
Couple nice TD
And
cards.
Chuck, Team USA, going to the Suns.
Raptors having a nice night.
Yeah, they are.
Spreading the love tonight.
Where's Steve at?
I don't know. Steve, we miss you, man.
Rodney Hood for the Blazers. Norman Powell, Raptors. Alec Burks for the Warriors. And Grant Williams, Blue Reactive.
Okay.
There we go.
Nice rookie color.
That's it. For the Celtics, then we got Silver Mosaic. Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Raekwon Holmes. A
Out
little
here.
fuzzy for the Kings. Wilt Stilt, Hall of Fame for the Lakers. Bobo. Okay.
Bobo, let's go.
I like that.
All right.
Nice rookie for Denver.
All right, so we got a
And
RJ,
Tyler
a Bol Bol,
Hero.
and a Tyler Hero.
Let's go. Debut for the
Okay.
Heat.
All right.
Looking good. No blatant print lines that I can see or anything. Right on.
Kenny's heating up.
Let's go.
Couldn't see it. I'll try.
Andre Drummond for the Pistons. Mr. Osman, Cavs. Jonathan Isaac for the Magic. Hassan Whiteside, Blue Reactive, Portland. We need rookie color here. Sean Kemp. Green Jam Master Mosaic. That's pretty cool. For the Thunder. There we go. RJ Base. Let's get it.
All right.
Nice hit for the Knicks.
Nick's having a nice night now.
I like it. Get these little fuzzies off of here.
Why does Mosaic have all those
I
fuzzies?
don't know. They're always on it. Hall of Fame. Magic Johnson for the Lakers. And Ja
There
Morant.
it
Bang,
is.
bang.
Okay.
Get that fuzzy off of here.
All
Ooh,
right.
It looks pretty good.
Now there's no mutiny against Kenny.
Yeah. There we go. Nice hit. Let's keep it moving. Big hit
Looks
for the
pretty good,
Grizzlies. Who's got the Grizzlies tonight? David. Nice
too.
hit.
Yeah, that's David.
Let's go. Let's keep it moving. Patrick Beverly for the Clips. Grayson Allen for the Grizzlies. Steven Adams, Thunder. There we go. Cam
Alright.
Johnson, Blue Reactive debut.
Nice for the Suns.
I don't know if y'all caught him in the bubble, but he was averaging about 18 and 7, so be on the lookout. Cola will win. The Nuggets. Jackson Hayes
Oh,
base.
Bastard.
Tricky, tricky, tricky. It's alright. Nice hit for the Pelicans. James Harden MVP for Houston. And Romeo base for the Celtics. Not bad, not bad. Not bad.
All right.
Starting to heat up some. Let's get some different stuff out here. Oh, we'll go this side. And keep it even. All right, Dwight Howard for the Lakers. Oop. Derek White, Spurs. Thomas Bryant for the Wizards.
Supersonics going to the Thunder.
Yeah, that's what I said.
All right, I wasn't listening.
Daniel House for the Rockets, Blue Reactive. Ooh, bam, bam, Bigelow. Silver,
go.
Cam Reddish.
Let's go. Bam, bam, bam.
Y'all know nothing about that. WCW.
Let's go.
Nice hit for the Hawks. Let's go. Sleeve that bad boy up.
Big hit for the Hawks.
Yes, sir. Julius Erving, Hall of Fame for the Sixers.
Looks pretty nice.
Tremont Waters, another rookie for the Celtics. And P.J. Washington debut,
Take a drink.
rookie for the Hornets. Let's go.
Kenny really eating up now.
Let's get it. I like that silver Cam Reddish. That thing is sick. He's a monster, too. Do not sleep on him at all.
Sometimes it takes people a year or two to get adjusted to the NBA.
But dude can stroke it.
He's a beast.
Devontae Graham for the Hornets. Larry Nance Jr. for the Cavs. Victor Oladipo, Pacers. Oh, Rajon. That's
Okay.
sick. I like that, though.
Take a drink.
Blue Reactor for the Lakers. And Kyle Lowry.
Wildcat, great.
Give and go for the Raptors. Jordan Poole, nice rookie. The Warriors. There we go. Debut, Jared Culver for the T-Wolves. And Talon Horton Tucker.
If he was Zion, we'd be retired.
Oh, for sure. Pulled about $4 million of him. In every different kind of card.
In every different parallel.
Yeah. Alright. Dejounte Murray. For the Spurs. Jabari Parker, Hawks. Jimmy Buckets. For the Heat. And our blue reactive, Donovan Mitchell.
Alright.
Nice hit for the Jazz.
Decent.
And silver mosaic. Ooh, Larry Bird, old school.
That's dope.
That's sick. For the Celtics. Another rookie behind it, Eric Pascal. Debut. For the Warriors. Can't even pronounce it. Rookie for the Clips. You don't know.
I never attempt that.
Brittany, we actually have a bunch of Topps Chrome and a bunch of baseball stocked up, so if the demand's there, we'll definitely be doing some baseball breaks.
Yeah. If anybody else wants to do a Topps Chrome break next week, we'll do it. It'll be a mega and like 5 or 6 blasters.
Yep. And it's 2020 Topps Chrome. Right.
Yeah. Looking for Lou Bob.
Alright. Three packs left. Dallas is in for the Topps Chrome.
Alright. Well, then we're in. Okay. Well, that'll be live tomorrow. We'll break it on Tuesday.
Yep. Marvin Bagley for the Kings. Markieff Morris, Pistons. Robert Covington, T-Wolves. And our blue reactive, Isaiah Roby. Okay. Mavs having a good night.
Yeah, they are.
Nice rookie there. Dame Dollar got game.
That's the one. The Mavs are the one. Mavs and Lakers are the only teams ever that you'll be like, I want some vets.
Yeah. Larry Bird going to the Celtics. There we go. DeAndre Hunter.
Number 4 overall pick.
Nice rookie for the Hawks. And Scottie Pippen, Hall of Fame. For the Bulls. All right. 2 more to go. Good luck, everybody. Silver Zion. Genesis Ja. Wouldn't that be the craziest 2 packs ever?
Nah, back-to-back cards.
We did pull in an Optic Mega Box 1 pack.
Yeah.
Back-to-back Zion and Ja Pink, or Hyper Pinks. It was nasty.
Pretty sick.
Draymond for the Warriors. Gary Harris for the Nuggets. Gordon Hayward, Celtics. Steph blue reactive, that's nasty. Nice hit for the Warriors there. That's dope.
Steph blue reactive?
Yeah.
Oh, greatest shooter ever.
Will Chamberlain, old school for the Lakers. Grant Williams. Celtic rookies keep coming.
Yeah, they do.
Cam Johnson keeps coming too. Suns having a nice night. And Isaiah Roby again.
So if y'all haven't learned, Isaiah Roby is always after Cam Johnson. Brittany, you can't send that long a message. he can't read real well.
Shit.
It takes a while for him to
He's
sound it all
drafted
out.
to the Dodgers on the 29th.
Huh?
Alright, well, he might be in the contenders boxes of this year, but otherwise it would be 2021 Topps.
Who?
They said she's looking for a friend of hers who was drafted this year.
Oh, yeah. He might be in Bowman.
Yeah, possibly Bowman.
What's his name?
Alright, moving on to the last pack. Good luck, everybody. Whoops. Andrew Wiggins.
Stay after we'll go through the hits.
Yep. Furkan Korkmaz for the Sixers. Ooh, there. K-Love.
Imagine your name being Furk.
And Julius
Okay,
Erving blue
Dr.
reactive.
J.
That's cool.
That's sick.
Ooh, Matisse Thybulle.
Oh, nice hit.
Silver mosaic.
Back-to-back nice hits
for the Sixers. That's nasty.
Trust the process.
His prisms are shooting up.
So are Darius Baisley.
Yeah, Darius Baisley. OKC, nice rookie. KD.
Okay.
This is going to the Nets.
Yeah, Current team or team they retired with.
And
are you shitting me?
Nicola Melli. Wrong Pelican.
That's all right.
That's okay.
Nice night.
Nice night.
All right. Well, tomorrow we'll have the Topps Chrome break live on eBay. We'll break that Tuesday. We don't know what we're doing Wednesday yet. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
But
hopefully some prison football for you all.
Ooh, yeah.
She said he was drafted 29th overall.
To who?
The Dodgers.
Oh, dope.
Nice, yeah. Well, we will figure that out.
Yeah, I'll look
for sure.
What's his name?
Bobby Miller.
All right. I'll look out for checklists. Any new checklists that come out.
Yeah, we'll check out some checklists, and if we don't end up doing a break, we'll at least try to find some for you, so we can just DM you, let you know.
Oh, we're doing the break.
Illusions football? Maybe.
A lot of people like them.
Yeah.
I like the Illusions.
We'll either be doing Illusions football or just sticking to Mosaic and then in Prism. But probably throw some Illusions in there as well. Whatever the people want, you know. All right, let's do a little.
Gets the people going.
Quick little recap. Matisse Thybulle, Silver Mosaic. Julius Erving, Blue Reactive. Steph, Blue Reactive. DeAndre Hunter. Isaiah Roby. RJ. Harrow. It's a nice hit for the Heat. Big Bobo. Grant Williams. Terrence Davis. RJ debut. KPJ. Keldon Johnson. Silver, Dylan Brooks. Isaiah Roby, Orange Reactive. Tremont Waters. Cam Johnson debut. Silver, Hall of Fame, Karl Malone. Luka. Terrence Davis, Prism update.
That's dope.
Yeah, it is. Pink Ja.
Yeah, any Ja color's dope.
Pink Trey. Another Tyler Harrow XR. RJ, Luminance. Kawhi, Crusade. Oops. Tremont Waters, Pink Marquee. Ja, Illusions. OG, Ruby, 93/199. Kendrick Nunn, Green Prestige. RJ Luminance. Zion Prestige. Cam Johnson again. Jason Tatum, Clear Shots, Acetate. Thanks, Nasty. Green Zion Playbook. Let's go. Ja Mosaic
right,
base.
Here we go.
That's
Good,
nasty.
Bigger stuff, right? Oh,
Silver Cam Reddish.
so nasty.
And the Flux LeBron.
Big night. Nice night.
Nice night. Oh yeah, Illusions come with a guaranteed auto in the blasters, he said. So yeah.
Blasters or Megas?
Is it? I don't know.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll check it out.
Hell yeah.
Right on, guys. We appreciate it as always. Everything will be boxed up and shipped out tomorrow. If you guys want any of these
Kid reporters
or anything like that, we have a
go to the Super Bowl on us.
Yeah, just DM us. Let us know. We'll just throw those in there. But yeah, we'll definitely be having that Topps Chrome break live tomorrow. It'll be into next week, and either some more basketball or football. We'll let you guys know. But right on. Have a good night. We appreciate it.